You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off the autoplay feature on YouTube. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com or open the YouTube app on your phone or smart TV and make sure you are signed into your account. On the website, start playing any video. Below the video player on the right side, you will see a toggle switch labeled Autoplay. It is usually blue when enabled. To turn it off, simply click this toggle. The switch will turn gray, indicating autoplay is now disabled. In the YouTube mobile app, the process is similar. While a video is playing, tap on the screen to show the controls, then tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From this menu, select autoplay and tap the toggle to switch it off. On a smart TV or game console, while a video is playing, navigate to the autoplay option in the video menu and uncheck it or toggle it off. This setting is saved per device and browser, so you may need to disable it on each device you use. With autoplay off, when a video ends, the screen will show suggested videos but will not automatically start playing the next one, giving you full control over what you watch. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.